In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send/transfer files with Google Drive. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to share: a quick link you can paste anywhere, and a more controlled option that sends the file directly to specific people. Let's start with the fastest approach, sharing a link. First, upload your file to Google Drive. If you're on the web, you can drag and drop the file into your drive, or click New, then File Upload, and select your file. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a check mark when it's done. Next, find the file in your drive, right-click it, and choose Get Link. This opens the sharing panel. Before you copy the link, set the access level so people get exactly the permissions you intend. Choose Viewer if you want them to look at or download the file but not change it. Choose Editor if you want them to be able to make changes. You'll also see whether the link is restricted or open to anyone with the link. If it's set to anyone with the link, anyone who has that URL can open it with the role you chose. If it's restricted, only people you've explicitly added can open it, even if they have the link. Pick the option that matches how widely you want to share. Now click Copy Link. Paste that link into your chat, text, or email and send it off. This is ideal for quick sharing, larger files, or when you need to post the file in multiple places. Just remember that a widely shareable link is convenient, but for sensitive content, keep it restricted or use the next method. If you prefer to send the file to specific people, do this instead. Right-click the file in Google Drive and click Share. It's in the box that appears, type the person's email address. Double-check that the address is correct, then click Send. They'll receive an email with a direct link to the file. Because it's addressed to them, access is controlled, and they may be asked to sign in to confirm their identity before viewing. This method is great when you want a clear private handoff and a record of exactly who has access. To recap, use a shareable link when speed and simplicity matter, and send to specific people when privacy and control are the priority. Always pause for a moment to set the right access level before you share, and you'll avoid permission headaches later. That's it. Now you're ready to transfer files confidently with Google Drive.